Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're installing a 6-inch heavy-duty lift kit and new heavy-duty parabolic dual-action leaf springs to our EZGO RXV golf cart. That sounds more complicated than it is. This 6-inch lift kit changes our tire clearance to allow us to upgrade from the stock 18.5-inch tires up to a 22-inch street tire for more speed, laying down new tire tracks at crime scenes if you're in a bad movie, improved handling and surface capability, or even just because it looks awesome. The collapsible wings, the hovercraft conversion kit, and the rooftop dance floor that we ordered haven't come in yet. But in the coming weeks, you can check back right here to see us upgrade this RXV model golf cart with some new seats, brand new steering wheel, new colors. Maybe we'll even give you some ideas for your ride too. Golf Cart Garage even has ready-to-order lift kit and tire bundles specially selected for certain carts with custom applications like street packages or all-terrain packages. We're your one-stop shop for customization projects like hunting upgrades, street legal conversions, color themes, and more. We even have a resources section filled with videos that cover common questions, unboxing and reviews, installations, and lots of dad jokes. My shop manager, Scooby-Doo over here, wanted this upgrade done just for his golf cart rides. We've been trying to use it to solve mysteries, and we would have gotten away with it too, if it weren't for you meddling kids. So if you're lifting your golf cart, we have step-by-step installation videos, free shipping, and great service right here in the Golf Cart Garage. We know what it takes to get through a project like this. Don't let the t-shirt fool you. I promise I didn't just spend all day checking out the specs for the end line on the rotary girder. We want to help with your project too, so stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to help outfit your cart today. Our customer care specialists would love to help answer all your questions and place orders right over the phone. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.